Cukuru uyu wa muthingi wa Chabalberry mwena wa Sierra Leone kaunti-ini ya Narok ni umwe gatagati ka macukuru 15 maria mahutitio ni thama ya kwehera mutitu-ini wa Mau na kumwe gwa kuria mathomo mathararite ona thengia wa thirikari kuruta mwerekera macukuru matikahingwo.
Sana shanga kwa nini shule hazijafunguliwa? Watoto wetu wameenda shule ama hawajaenda, si ndio? Sasa hiyo ni kilio kubwa kwa serikali. Mbona watoto wetu hawajaenda shule?
Umwe wa maundu maria marerikana gucangira mathomo kwa gucokereria kuringana na ikari ya guku Sierra Leone ni guthagathagio ni maabitha a ruhonge rwa kurangira mititu KFS aria mambite kambi mwena uyu. Thirikari ni ithite na mbere kuorotwo kumana na uria mihang'o ino ya kweheria andu mao iratabanio, atongoria amwe makiendekithia yambe irugamio niguo kuhe arutwo mweke wa guikarira igerio cia kibururi.
Hiyo maneno ikuja baadaye hata kule January, because these are Kenyans, your excellency. Na in our constitution, in the Bill of Rights, every child has a right to education.
Miario ino yukite riri thirikari ya kaunti ya Narok itongoretio ni Governor Samuel Tunai igite na giikaro na atongoria a icigo iria ihutitio ni thama ino ya kwehera Mau guku makiuria muingi icigo-ini ici kugia na wetereri wa kamuira monete kihonia gia thogothogo iria ikoretwo kuo.
We appreciate the input by other leaders who've also been talking about this matter. But as of now, that we have taken up the matter kama viongozi wa Narok, tungewaomba pia ndio to reduce tension yenye iko county yetu, ndio to reduce unnecessary escalation of issues. Let us allow the leadership of Narok to take up this matter.
We have taken charge of this process, that we want to provide leadership as we have always done, and that very soon we know that we are going to resolve this issue.
Handu-ini ha Uhoro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.